What's up, everybody? It's Dr. Thin Mint here. As y'all, if y'all have seen like my last video trying to make like one of these, it's the bladed shift lever. I got the old one over here. Get a recap. As you can see, it didn't quite work out. Like I said, I'm gonna try again. And so I did try again, and this is the start of it. Made out of foam first, and I found out, I haven't put that video up yet, but if I put paper on it, I mean paper's gonna burn anyways, so whenever I cast it, the paper should make the sanding process a whole lot more easier on me. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but last time I tried to make this, it kind of didn't work, as you just saw. But yeah, I'm gonna try to. It's getting kind of late today. I don't know if I'm gonna try to do it today. I might just wait till tomorrow. But that's my little sprue on the end. That's what ended up getting cut off, that big chunk of crap on the end. So yeah, I've been busy cutting up paper for about an hour, maybe 2 hours, trying to get this thing right here covered. And it's super thin as I can get the glue. I got it on here. A couple of spots that might be a little weird, but we're not gonna worry about them. They should end up being all right. But I'm gonna let this thing dry a little bit more, and I'll figure out something from there. Be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, just put the shifter inside the sand here. I'm gonna skip over like pouring and melting and all that kind of stuff. I got that in another video. I didn't want to bore y'all with some of that. I don't know if it wasn't boring. I mean, leave a comment down below. Tell me, no, I want to see the process or whatnot. But yeah, I'm just gonna skip over some of that this time. I might show the pouring of it. I'm not sure, but I will be doing the reveal, however the heck you want to say it, whenever I pour it out of here. I guess I'll show that. And hopefully this time, guys, we got it. But yeah, that's just where I'm at right now, and let's hope that it works this time. Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, just about to pour it. Hopefully it goes right this time. Give me a second and I'll get right to it. Guys, that should have, hopefully that worked this time. to say at this point, but I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, let it dry, whatnot. Back up off that, so we don't need no fires out here, do we? But yeah, well, I'll be right back in about 9-10 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, been about 15 minutes. I got I had something I had to do like real quick. But anyways, I ended up making a couple little metal muffins. So I had a little bit left in the crucible in there. But yeah, let's get this thing and pour it and see if we actually did anything good or bad or whatever. Get the old gloves on. I ended up finding me a bigger container. I had to get me a metal bucket, pour sand in, and pour it out something different. But let's see if we succeeded or not. No, I got an idea real quick. Sorry guys. I don't feel like having to filter out any more sand, so I'll do this, and if I spill any, it'll be fine. So far, so good. Probably do a lot of work on it, but so far it looks good. Suspense is killing me, people. Y'all probably see it before I do. Did we succeed or not? I think we actually might have done it, guys and gals. Oh, it stinks too. Let's see. Well, I use something to do that. Sorry guys, I don't even have everything I need right here. Give me about 5 seconds. Is that about 5 seconds right there? Well guys, it looks like we actually did it this time. Sorry, it's hard to get a hold on it. As y'all can see, I think we actually did it this time. The paper idea that I had, it worked out great. It's gonna be like minimal sanding, and I do mean minimal. A couple of spots I want to sand really good, but other than that, guys and gals, I think it came out pretty dang good. Woo! Alright, let's throw it in a bucket over here. And, here we go. Alrighty then. Yeah, like I said, I think it came out. Should know the water's gonna be hot. You know, it's been sitting out here. But yeah, it came out really good. So I'm gonna get it all cleaned off, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I got that little sprue cut off, and I gotta say, all I did was just take the wire brush to it, and y'all can see how smooth it actually came out. Usually it comes out, and if you want to see the tip right there, it's kind of, how do I explain it? Well, it's not smooth, let me put it that way. There's no little spot. You can see back up in there. focus right. It's not smooth, but all that up there is going to end up getting sanded all in and smoothed into the, or rounded into it, molded into it, however the heck you want to say it. But I gotta say, I'm actually really happy on this one. I'm not worried about this crap at the top. It's going to end up getting rounded anyways. I still got the round part to put right at the end that goes down into the little hole shaft thingamajigger. But overall, I think it came out really good. I'm really happy with it so far. I'm gonna let this be part one, and then I'll make a second part after I get everything fitted right and whatnot. But yeah, go down in the comments, y'all, and let me know what y'all think about it. Give me y'all's idea of like what kind of thing y'all would have made. Right, you can make the shifter out of, or other shapes or something like that. Yeah, go down in the comments, do that for me. And yeah, if you like this video, like I said, this is just part one. Part two is only coming up hopefully shortly. I just didn't want to make a video way too long, so yeah, like this video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, oh well. Hopefully this helps somebody down the road on a project they might have, whether it be making a shifter like this or whatever. Subscribe if you hadn't already subscribed. Share this video. Share on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever the heck you want to share it on. Show people. If you know anybody that likes doing things like this, show them the video, and maybe it'll help them, give them an idea on how to do something. I know I've learned a lot from YouTube and Google and places like that, because you can't always go by just like by what one person says. I mean, check out your different options. And yeah, thank y'all again for watching. Hopefully it helps somebody out there. Y'all take it easy. May God bless.